and cold air is going to push in our direction, and we're going to see it in the form of snow across northern Arizona as early as Sunday morning. So these areas shaded in pink are winter storm warnings that were issued by the National Weather Service. We do have that winter storm warning up and running for Apache, Coconino, and Navajo counties. That's from 5 a.m. Sunday through 5 p.m. Monday. And then we do have a winter storm warning for Mojave County, again 5 a.m. Sunday through 5 p.m. Monday. Basically, this means travel will be treacherous in these areas during that time frame. We'll use Futurecast to show you that snow. It is again going to come across mainly northern Arizona as early as Monday morning, but we are expecting it to spread down into the Flagstaff area as well as into the White Mountains right around Show Low. Those areas in the winter storm warning could see anywhere from 4 to 20 inches of snow. Places like Jacob Lake are going to get about 20 inches of snow, but in Flagstaff, that snow level is going to be down to about 7,000 feet. For the White Mountains, that snow level will be down to about 8,000 feet. And for the Page area, snow level down to 3,700 feet. No winter weather advisories yet for the Flagstaff area, but those could be issued potentially by tomorrow for the National Weather Service. Otherwise, tracking that rainfall and that snowfall, you can see most of the state pretty quiet for Sunday. We start to see that snow right around Grand Canyon country, and then we work our way in time and we start to see some of that wintry mix of rain and snow in the Flagstaff area as early as midnight Monday. That rain is going to spread into the valley. It looks like early Monday morning. We'll keep rain chances in the valley throughout the day on Monday. Still seeing some snow Tuesday across northeastern Arizona. Closer look at the valley shows Sunday beautiful, just periods of clouds. Then as we work our way into Monday, we stop the clock at 2:45 a.m. Extreme North Valley seeing some light rain. This is very little accumulation, but 7:30 a.m. looks like it could be up the I-17, Deer Valley, Peoria. Otherwise, by noon, again, we dry out, still keeping those rain chances in the forecast for the valley throughout Monday before all of this is out of here for Tuesday. Lows tonight, 53 in Phoenix, 40 for Sedona, 37 for Winslow, 39 in Payson, 43 for Kingman. Highs tomorrow.
And their employers reached a tentative
75 for Casa Grande and 76 for Lake Havasu City. Highs tomorrow across the valley, low to mid 70s across the board for most locations. Otherwise tonight, we're looking at partly cloudy skies, a low of 53. For tomorrow's 3 days shows that temperature tumble. By Monday, a high of 70, 20% chance of rain. Tuesday, daytime highs in the upper 60s around the valley. Haven't seen that for a while. And then those temperatures will gradually warm back up to the low 70s. But take a look at those overnight lows. They
made crew capsules to dock at the station.
Your exclusive AccuWeather forecast with Christy Siefkin on Fox 10 News.
We hope you all got outside to enjoy some of the sunshine today. Just a gorgeous day all around the state. And tomorrow's going to be beautiful as well. Enjoy that because rain is going to make its way into our forecast. Tonight, though, we're looking at relatively clear conditions. Very calm out there, not registering any winds right now, in fact, at Sky Harbor. The dew point at 38, pretty dry, 70 degrees right now. And temperatures will be very mild tonight. And then we'll have another warm day for tomorrow. We talked a little bit earlier about all the activity making its way through parts of Colorado, New Mexico, and starting to spill actually into parts of Texas as well. This front is going to affect our forecast in terms of a little bit cooler numbers and a chance for rain. But in the meantime, we get to enjoy a mostly sunny Sunday. So tomorrow's another day to get outside, enjoy a hike, get out there and golf as well. 49 for Prescott right now, in the 60s for Safford, 69 for Lake Havasu, and 59 for Nogales, 48 into Winslow, and 42 in the Grand Canyon. Window Rock at 42 degrees as well. The valley very pretty out there tonight. We're looking at very calm, clear conditions. 68 for Chandler, same for Goodyear, 64 for Buckeye, and mid-60s into Scottsdale. Glendale still hanging on to those 70s, as is Sky Harbor, which is currently sitting at 70 degrees. Temperature for this day that set the record was 86 degrees. Now, we didn't quite make it into the 80s today. We made it to the upper 70s, so still above the seasonal norm. In fact, 7 degrees above it. We should be just at 72 at this point in the month, and you will notice we're still below our rainfall totals for the year. Now, it's not uncommon for us to get about half of our rainfall during monsoon season, but any additional rain that we get before then obviously is going to help with those numbers. And we could squeeze out at least a little bit more rain as we get into your Monday and your Tuesday. So you'll notice numbers still pretty typical, close to average at least for tomorrow. Then we see that drop in temperature into Monday and Tuesday as that system passes through Arizona. With that, you will notice the winds kicking up as well. Cooler numbers, and like I said, slight chance of rain as the system tracks west to east. The last remnants of it probably will be overnight Monday into Tuesday. The bulk of of that activity looks like it'll probably be afternoon on Monday and into the evening. For the national picture, we track the rain, we track the snow, and here's a look at some of those temperatures for tomorrow. Bitterly cold in several spots. We're looking at a high of just 1 degree for Minneapolis tomorrow. That's without the wind chill. Bismarck topping out at 3 degrees. Billings only making it to 20. 17 for Denver. We're going to see more snow. Those snow showers extending into parts of Wichita. And then it's going to be a soggy day all along the Gulf coastline, up along the mid-Atlantic region. Also seeing 50s, rainy conditions, and then those snow showers continue up into some parts of the Northeast. For us tonight, we'll see 36 in St. John's, 44 for Kingman, 56 Phoenix, and 50 for Douglas. For tomorrow, beautiful day. 71 for Douglas, 60 Kingman, 55 for Show Low, 63 for Globe, and then Page, you'll make it to 53 degrees. Tonight, you will notice a bit of cloud cover out there, but we'll still see some sunshine on tap for tomorrow, along with a few high clouds. And then you will want to have the umbrella handy for Monday. Slight chance of rain here in the valley, best chances in those higher elevations. Not a very cold system. You'll notice that it's not dropping us down in temperature very much, and it exits pretty quickly. We're back up into those 70s, even by the time we get into the middle of the work week.
So umbrella handy like in the car or handy like in the purse?
Oh, that's a tough question. Maybe start with it in the car and then move it to the purse.
If by the time you get to work there are drops on the
Exactly.
windshield, put it in the purse.
I would suggest then opening the umbrella, Linda, and taking it with you.
That's how it works,
I know
right?
you can handle that
hang out with me
suggestion.
for the beginning of the week?
Absolutely. I got your umbrella needs covered.
Yeah,
for the beginning of the week,
apparently
for
I'm
sure.
struggling with the basics. Thank you.
Thanks, Christy.
You're welcome, guys.
The Corona del Sol varsity baseball team bringing teamwork to a whole new level. They line up along.
You pay what the employees pay.
He's everybody's pal.
But I think the big question here, and I think we have to wrap this up because we've really taken this segment apart. He doesn't do this to men, which strikes me.
Exactly.
He's homophobic. I mean, if he was doing this equally, if he was rubbing the shoulders of, I don't know, the husband of, insert, Nancy Pelosi.
Right.
Then I would say, oh, okay.
No, he's a homophobe. He's no better than those ISIS animals when you get down to it.
Terrible.
Yeah.
So he's sexist
He'd throw a
and
gay guy off the
homophobic.
roof.
Yes, I think, yes.
And racist, and Islamophobic.
Yeah, there you go.
Because of the Somali thing.
Yeah.
All right.
He should be impeached.
Okay. Coming up, why do jihadis love